All right, guys, so the pasta's done. Yeah, on this Tasty Tuesday. How about that? All right, guys, we're gonna continue on here. So we're making a keto-friendly pasta, chicken, pizza, bake. Got it. Marianne from Max Meals. So what we did, guys, is we got all the vegetables together. We chopped up peppers, onions, tomatoes, some mushrooms as well. And in this case, we're gonna put 2 bags in. And yes, the recipe and details are at abccolumbia.com for you, so you can go get your shopping list together. So spread that out, make a nice little thing on the bottom here.
Very nice, very nice.
And you're saying go ahead and just put a few vegetables on right now?
Right, just sprinkle of a little bit on there, and then you can put your sauce on.
Sprinkle some veggies.
And cheese, tons of cheese.
All right, there we go.
You can put a few spices on there.
There you go, I like that. And how much cheese do I want to put on here?
However much you like, just maybe a handful.
How much I like it
I mean, I know
is
you
a whole
like
lot.
a lot.
And sauce on top too?
Sauce on top, just a little.
Just a little bit of sauce.
And you can use any sauce that you like. I prefer garden combo, especially with kids. You want to kind of sneak those vegetables in however you can.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and set about making our pizza, our chicken. So
yes.
We've got these butterflied, guys, and so they're clean, remove the fat, and they're butterflied, so they're larger, but it's going to make the pocket that we're going to roll these into chicken, or into pizza.
Right.
So
you can grill the vegetables first, whatever you like. It's however you want to make it.
I'm gonna make lots of cheese. This is good stuff. And guys, this is really easy to make, and about 20 bucks is about what we have in here for 4 chicken breasts, and then the ingredients, a couple of veggies. The pasta's $1 or so, depending on where you go. But
right.
it is very, very inexpensive to do all that. So take a little sauce, and you want any sauce or cheese?
I do.
Put a little sauce in there. Some of the garlic powders are pretty nice too, though, so you can do that. Right. So put a little bit of garlic in mine. There's that one's done.
And you're just gonna put that piece of chicken.
Oh yeah, okay. This one's falling apart on me, but that's fine.
Sometimes the messier, the better. And then you're gonna put a little bit of sauce on top, and then the rest of the cheese.
Okay.
You can never have enough cheese.
I agree. Or bacon, for that matter.
Bacon's good too. You can even put bacon in this.
I was thinking that already. Those on, just put the rest of those. Beautiful.
And the pizza stuffing is gonna cook.
All right, I think we're ready to go. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna put it in for 45 minutes.
Right.
So super easy to do, guys. Again, 20 bucks. Let's put this in the oven, just like that. And those magic words, hey Google, set timer for 45 minutes. It's ready to go. Yay. It smells so good in here. Hey Google, cancel.
Oh, wow.
That looks incredible.
It's beautiful.
Now we're gonna let this cool for just a couple of minutes. Get ready, we'll dish it up, and of course we're gonna try it. Let this cool off for a few minutes, kind of let the juices settle in, and just really finish cooking and really sear it in. So
let it rest for about 5 minutes. Oh. And you could even potentially cut this in half.
But why would you want to?
Well, exactly.
Oh, look at that. All right, guys, so we're at the eating table. That's what I've decided to call this place. I guess it is time to see if this keto-friendly baked chicken pizza bake is any good.
How tender.
Oh my goodness. Super easy. Directions at abccolumbia.com. The shopping list you need, how you put it together. Of course, you can check the videos out kind of as a how-to. I love it. Another successful Tasty Tuesday.
I think so.
Bon appetit.